Today I've made a big mistake. How this flyaway could have been avoided? For flight, I failed to set up my home point location. Or return to home location if you like. Right. Flyaways are incredibly frustrating events for drone pilots because they are so unpredictable. Now let's watch the same flyaway recorded on iPhone. And this is the moment I lost control over my drone and I tried to press the home button, but obviously I didn't set up the home location before flight. The home point is the location where the drone will go back to if you run out of battery and you need to land. In case that happens, the drone will fly back to this point and will land safely. Okay guys, I hope you found this video pretty useful. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Unless you already subscribed, then thank you. Family Pop TV.